Let's pretend we're on a spaceship traveling close to the speed of light. If we look out the window, the world blurs together and looks really slow. But wait, in here, everything seems the same. My heartbeat is the same, the clock ticks the same. So how can I move in here as normal, but out there it seems that time slows down completely? The answer is time dilation. Now, normally, people consider time to be constant and pass the same for everyone, but that is not necessarily true. Einstein discovered that time is relative, not absolute. Think about it. The same colors look different to everyone, and the same thing goes for time. It only seems that time is the same for all because we don't normally reach speeds that change time by a significant amount. And now, I know what you might be saying, this sounds pretty conceptual. Is there any mathematical explanation? Yes. Let's dive into the equation behind time dilation. Imagine two events that start at the exact same instant, but one is moving almost at the speed of light, and the other one is stationary. In this equation, t prime is the time experienced by an observer moving at a velocity v, which is us in the spaceship. T is the time experienced by a stationary observer, like someone on Earth, and c is the speed of light. As the velocity approaches the speed of light, the denominator gets smaller and smaller, making t prime much larger. And when t prime is large, the mover experiences that large amount of time in the same t time the stationary observer is experiencing. Let's plug in some numbers to make it easier. Let's say you're going 95% the speed of light, and you want to know what 1 year on Earth would feel like for you. Plug those numbers in, and you get that 1 Earth year is 3.2 years for you. This is because since you are going so fast, any movement from someone else is basically irrelevant compared to you. Just like acceleration depends on velocity, time depends on velocity too. Time can also be affected by gravity for similar reasoning. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this space adventure.